Are you guys ready to harvest some potatoes?
Yeah, and we want to show them something else.
With our trucks? Yeah! Hello friends, welcome to our video. Today we are going to do a follow-up video on a video we did a long time ago where we planted potatoes with our trucks in our garden. What is it?
Ripe strawberries. This is the biggest
Oh,
they get.
no way. Okay, these are Axel's strawberry bushes, you guys here. And there are strawberries all over here. Look, there's one right there. Oh, wait. Look. Here's one right here. Look at that one. These are kind of big. Now, these aren't red, but Axel says they still taste good.
I want to pick it. We'll pick these last.
Okay, we'll pick these last.
I want to pick one.
Okay, hold on. We're going to wait and pick them last.
And
They're
then come
Bubba's
around strawberries, and I
we
want to
gotta
show you
wait.
something in the cucumber aisle.
Okay, so now we have the cucumber aisle.
And this one, no. I want to show them this one first.
Let's see.
This is the first one of
Oh
these cucumbers we've ever planted.
It's a funny looking cucumber. Look, it's got a really long neck.
And a really fat neck.
Cool.
And look right there.
Whoa! Oh, so we're gonna harvest cucumbers with our trucks too?
Yeah, I want to pick it.
You do?
Let's pick potatoes first because that's what we've been planning to do.
Okay, let's do that first. All right, you guys, so Axel is correct. See this right here? I wonder if you guys knew if this is what the potatoes look like up on the top above the ground.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, this is what they look like, you guys. You may remember our video where we planted the potatoes. Maybe you do, maybe you don't.
Oh, yeah.
So what we did, you guys, is we sliced up potatoes, right? We sliced up like 2 or 3 potatoes, and we planted the pieces in the ground. And those pieces of potato have grown these big plants here. All right, Axel, which truck is your truck of choice for harvesting these potatoes?
We each get to have a try it.
Okay. All right, Axel.
This is the one, wait.
What are you going to use first then?
Where's the other one? The one in the back of that truck.
Oh, the crane?
Yeah.
Well, that'll work. That won't work for harvesting them. Maybe for loading them in the truck, though. That's a good idea.
For grabbing them.
Right. So let's see you harvest one first. River, which one are you going to use to harvest first?
The small one.
Okay, the dump truck is for loading potatoes into, but you can use the backhoe to dig up the potatoes, okay?
It already started digging right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look.
Peel this back right here, you guys. Now, you see this right here? This is where these plants enter the ground. Now, the potatoes are actually basically the roots. Yeah, they're part of the root system. Let's dig that out and see what we can get. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to do with these potatoes whenever we get them?
Eat them.
How are we gonna eat them? You want to make them into French fries? That sounds good.
I make French fried potatoes.
Comment down below, what would you do?
Oh, I see one. I see one.
Oh,
That
wow.
one's huge.
Oh my goodness, you guys. There's a little one. But check this one out. Here, let's dig it out real quick. Dig it out of there. Oh, wowie.
That's the biggest one we've ever grown.
Big, you guys. Check this potato.
That's bigger than the ones from the store.
Wow, can you believe that this got this big?
No.
That is so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. We are going to have lots of French fries from that potato.
I want French fried potatoes.
You want to? Okay.
Let's
keep harvesting.
Wait,
Looks
from
like
this
there's
tiny
more.
plant?
I can't believe it. That's so crazy.
This tiny plant.
The tiny little plant. Man. All right, keep going at it.
I see another potato.
You do? All right, we're going to let Bubba harvest a few more, and then you can come in here and start harvesting, okay?
I see one that might dig on the Oh, right there. And right here, look.
Oh, wow.
Look, Daddy, look.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's such a cute little baby potato.
Oh, this one's another huge one.
So cute.
Let me have it.
Oh, it's another big one? Okay.
Yeah,
I'll
look.
take it. Oh my goodness. Look at that, you guys.
I'm gonna try to use my
Wow.
hands because the excavator.
You don't want,
Can't
yeah,
really
you gotta
get
be
that
careful
out.
with the teeth. Wow, check it out. All right, River, it's your turn. Come on over here and harvest the potato.
How about big potatoes going big dump truck, and little potatoes going little dump truck?
I
Look,
like
Daddy.
that idea.
Look.
Little in the little dump truck. Oh, I see. That's a great idea. And the big potatoes in the big Tonka dump truck here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I feel something. Look. Oh, check this out. You guys. That's the slice of potato that
And
we
look,
buried.
Daddy. Look.
It's still complete.
And look, Daddy, right next to it.
Oh, it's
Literally
a little
right next to it.
This is so cool. You guys, check this out. Look at that. We sliced this potato in a thin slice like that, and then it grew up to that. It's amazing. wow. You did,
We
okay.
can plant it again.
We could just plant this again. Oh, there's one right there, River. Can you get it? Oh,
Another big
wow. Girl, that is a big potato.
Oh, look.
Oh, boy.
Look, we keep digging up tiny ones without noticing it.
River, go put it in your dump truck, okay? Go put it in your dump truck. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
River, put it in the big dump truck.
Put it in the big one because it's a big dump truck. We'll put it in the big dump truck there. There you go. Great work, you guys. Nice harvesting. How many more potatoes do you guys think are down in here? Ooh, there's one. Ooh, look at that. Another
These
little
three are the little ones.
There's another little one.
And another.
A little tiny one.
Oh, and two more.
There's another one. Ha! So many potatoes.
Oh, look right here. Another one.
Oh, wow. Let's dig this out right here. We need to use the
Oh,
excavator.
two.
Dig this out.
Oh,
Wow. Look
Another
at
one.
that. All right, let's bring it
All
on
of
over
these
here.
are tiny, and then that one's a big one.
Let's load this one up into Tonka here. Oh, wow, look what I found. A little worm. What else we got here? Oh, there's a big one. This is a big one. Look at that. Wow. Can you scoop up that real quick? There you go. Load it in the big dump truck. Perfect. Oh, this one's rotten. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh.
That would have been
That
perfect.
was rotting.
That would have been the biggest. And look at that.
Almost. Yep.
That would have been the
Toss that one over there. It's rotten. River, you get that.
Oh, I got it.
Whoa! That one's a giant. Oh, another one. Hey, look. Oh, what's that? That's a.
Another one.
Oh, we get two little baby ones right here.
Go put them in the little dump truck, River.
We're loading the little potatoes in the little dump truck. There you
Look
go.
at that.
Oh my goodness. We
Big.
have so many potatoes. Oh,
look at that.
wow. Look at that.
And this one would be big.
That medium, yeah. You got one? Okay, get it, get it. Can you pull it? It's so big. It's the biggest one yet. It's massive. Can you get it? Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh, it felt like it though.
What are we gonna do with all of them?
Goodness. Oh my. This is a monster. Wow.
This is the biggest potato I've ever seen.
It is so big. I don't know. It's not the biggest that I've ever seen, but that's a big potato though. All right, Axel. Let's load up them taters. So Axel had an idea. We're gonna dump these potatoes into the big one. So we'll have all the potatoes in here. Look at how many potatoes there is. And then we're gonna load the cucumbers into this Tonka truck right here. It does make noises. Right. So now we're gonna get a hold of this cucumber right here.
And these are great for like sawing at it.
Yeah. Perfect.
It perfectly fits.
It does. Load that in there. There we go. Great work. There you go. You just twist it like this. Twist it. There you go. Oh, you got it.
Now put it in.
Nice work, River. Load it in. Great job. All right, you guys. And last but not least, we have these strawberries here. Now, Axel says these still taste good even though they're not red. So we're going to pick this one first. Now, why are we picking all this right now?
Because we're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, you guys, we are leaving to go to Hawaii tomorrow, so we have to pick this stuff, or it'll just go to waste, or something else will eat it. We want to eat it though. All right.
Now let's let River pick some. Look, River,
what
you
is
need to put this. Oh, look at that! That thing is huge.
Oh,
We thought those were grasshoppers.
this bug. It's so cool.
It has a stinger. One more,
One more.
and the bucket is full.
Nice. So you guys, are we gonna take this back to the house and those potatoes over there? And are we gonna cook some French fries?
Yeah, I want to make strawberry with fried potato with fried cucumber with fried.
River says she wants strawberry French fries, potato French fries, and cucumber.
Yeah.
You're so sweet, girl. I don't think we'll make French fries out of the cucumbers. I think we're just gonna eat them. Yeah. Ooh, what do you have there?
Basil.
Basil. Axel put some basil from our basil plant.
And
Oh, some collards. Yeah. We got some collard greens here. And we're gonna have a regular old meal, aren't we? All right.
That's good.
Looks good to me.
I'm going
Oh, River, you can pick some too. River always likes to help. head back and make some french fries. All right, roll out.
And since I'm gonna put bagel there.
Oh yeah, put some of that in there. There we go. All right, River, can you push your dump truck out? Roll out. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. There you go, River. Nice work. Roll out, big Tonka. Let's go to the house with our bounty. First things first, these potatoes are super dirty. So we gotta give them a bath, right, River? Yep, scrub those potatoes. Scrub them good. Scrub a dub-dub. Lots of potatoes in a tub. Dump that dirty water out. Oh, little Tater's getting away. Little Tater's getting away.
There's one.
They're all clean. Now, they still got a little bit of dirt on, but it's actually okay to eat a little bit of dirt. It's good dirt. Yeah, it's actually good for you. Let's slice them up. All right, you gonna slice that cucumber up, Axel?
Yep, right after I slice this one strawberry up.
If there's any kids watching, should they ever use knives? Is that an adult present? Nope.
If their parents say they can't.
Yes. Cucumber slicing.
I remember these.
Oh.
These are the American cucumbers.
Have a bite. Really good cucumber. Oh, you done slicing this one? Oh, that one's even better than the other one. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna slice up some french fries.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna make special french fries with these. They're gonna be pretty big french fries. See that? They taste great though. Now let's get these in the frying pan. So you guys, we'll let you know if you're ever around a frying pan like this, and there's some hot oil like this, like if you're in the kitchen or your parents are cooking,
It could go like
got to be careful.
because it could go like and
Yeah.
then I could blind you forever.
Oh yeah, totally. This oil could burn you so badly, so you must be very careful around hot oil like this. It can hurt so badly, and it can catch fire, especially if you have a gas stove like that. So Axel, how excited are you? 1 to 10.
7.
A 7?
Mhm.
What would be a 10?
No, 9.
A 9? What would be a 10? If you found a real Pikachu, that would be a 10? Okay.
If I found a real Pikachu, it would be a 1 million.
That would be off the charts exciting. Go. Whoa, buddy. Alright, a little bit of salt. Alright, you guys. French fries. Oh, man. What do you guys think? You like them? What do you think, Axel? What do you think?
Best potato fries ever.
But they're not sweet potatoes, though.
I forgot.
Aren't these good?
Better than
Axel's
store
way
one.
of saying that they're really good. They're way better. You guys, these are amazing. These are organic potatoes that we planted, we watered, we grew, we harvested, and now we're eating. It's so awesome to make your own food, you guys.
We
to grow
watered.
your own food.
We fed. We picked.
Yeah.
We ate. We cooked.
Well, we didn't actually do most of the work. Most of the work was done by the potatoes and nature and all the unseen forces. I'm so thankful for these potatoes, you guys. And mostly I'm thankful for the 2 awesome people right here eating them with me. Mwah.
I would rather have.
I love you guys so
I
much.
would rather have 40 plates than just one.
And you know what, you guys? I love you too. I wish that I could share these potatoes with you right now, you guys. I wish I could. You guys just imagine eating these french fries right now, okay? Good, right? All right, remember, we love you guys. We think you're so awesome. And we're so glad that you joined us for today's video. Ba, ba, ba. you guys get out and use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. Yeah, no matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun and enjoy your life just like you see us doing every day. If you just use your imagination. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, you guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos.